How you doing? How you doing, man?
Do I look like I'm okay to you? Do I look okay to
I'm
you?
sorry. He's yelling at me.
Hello everyone, my name is Shubh Sharma and in today's video we will discuss about the cryptocurrency. We'll also discuss about the strategy. They have acquired few more bitcoins. We'll talk about this in few minutes and we'll also talk about the liquidation levels. So this video is gonna be interesting, so stick tight with me. It will be very helpful for your next investment journey. Now if you look at the cryptocurrency, right, Bitcoin, so Bitcoin was following this trend line, right, and Bitcoin was moving up, but as soon as this level was broken, now currently it made a low of close to $83,000 and now it is currently bounced by $86,000. If you have watched my previous two videos, I have clearly told you that this market is a sell on rise market. It is not a buy on dip market. Don't go longs in this market. Any little even speculative news will bring down the Bitcoin. So yes, we have seen the fall. That's what I've been expecting. We have clearly told you that don't go long in the market. This is very risky at this point. So what's next for Bitcoin? Now I believe the Bitcoin will head towards $70,000 to $70,000 journey. Now if I zoom out, this is the major support for Bitcoin. Now if you observe it very closely, now let's go to weekly time frame, right? Now this was the major support, right? We made a high of close to $124,000 and now the Bitcoin is now falling and I believe that Bitcoin might take support from close to $70,000. So going long at $70,000 in Bitcoin will make sense. Now if you look at top public holdings, right, in public company Bitcoin reserve, if you watch it very closely, then weekly net inflow is $32.91 million. Weekly Bitcoin inflow is it's also $364 million and total Bitcoin holding is $1.05 million. Value is around $91 billion. Now if you go here and watch it very closely, right, top public Bitcoin treasury companies. Now here it is strategy. If you click on this strategy, now if you look at the data, right, in previous data we have talked about how they bought around 1711, right, 8,000 Bitcoin. Just yesterday on 1st of December they bought 130 more Bitcoin, right? So this is very good that the company is now if you look at again here 130 Bitcoin they have bought, strategy buy-in on 1st of December 2025 at $89,959. That is value around $12 million. Now they have staggering 650,000 Bitcoin they have. So that is insane, right? So everyone was talking that strategy will get delisted and they'll be forced to sell its Bitcoin reserves, but this is completely turned out to be wrong and they have just now bought on yesterday just $89,000. At $89,000 they have bought 130 Bitcoin. That is around $12 million. So very good news from for very short term. We can see some relief from the crypto investors that strategy is buying in. It is the biggest and largest holding of crypto reserves. So this is what I wanted to share. And next thing that I want you to look into is the Bitcoin liquidation map. Now if you look at closely, the Bitcoin huge longs has been built up close to 83,702. So if Bitcoin will go below 83,702, the liquidation amount will be 335 million. So if you watch it very closely here, cumulative long is around 335.87 million. So if Bitcoin will fall below, it will, even if it start trading below 83,700, then 335 million money will get liquidated. Similarly here on the short side, 224 million will get liquidated if Bitcoin will go above 87,671. So these are the two range that we have to look into. Huge longs have been built up, right? If you look at this graph, huge long has been built up and short side people are closing their shorts and longs are getting build up. But you should not get fluctuated by this data. You should not change your strategy because of this data. Remember here also when the Bitcoin made a high, if I'll go to 1 hour time frame, right, here also This one people are going long, long, long. And I was the only one who was telling you don't go long, go short in this market. Start accumulating shorts. And look what has happened. A lot of people have got liquidated. Trust me, it is close to $500,000 that people have got liquidated. Right? They have lost money in this long trade. So Bitcoin is clearly sell on rise market for me. Now I believe the Bitcoin can go to even $70,000, $72,000, and from there the longs make sense, and there I will also take personal longs. Till then, any bonds will be sold into, and I'm not looking for any long, I'm looking for a short opportunity. Now similarly, again, if you look at now Solana, right? Solana is also sitting at very interesting positions. Now look at Solana. These are the levels for Solana. From there we grabbed the liquidity, and from there it went to $236. Now again it is at very important support. The Solana is again at very interesting support. If it breaks below, then we can even go to first support is kicking at $87 and second support is getting at $44,000. If Bitcoin will fall, this is what I am believing. If Bitcoin will fall, if it breaks this swing, right? The swing from there we had saw 10,000 point kind of move. If we break this swing, right? Bitcoin will definitely go to $70,000. There's no doubt about it. Now again, XRP is also at very important and crucial support zone. Look at here. Let me remove this. I'm sorry. Let me remove this. Yeah. So XRP is also at very important support. This is the support zone. If it fell, then we can see some good fell 0.6428 cents. So this is it for crypto quick update. If you have learned a lot, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.